just no way I'm taking responsibility for that thing you're carrying in there.
Oh, for my dead body will I get rid of this baby? See, you better brace up for what is coming because my mind is made up.
Excuse me? You want to put to bed for your only sister's husband?
Oh, please, like you care. When you were recurrently making love to me on this bed, it didn't occur to you that the queen is my only sister.
For Christ's sake, you enjoyed it too. You did! Find a way to solve this. Because your sister won't take it lightly when she finds out.
You think this is some sort of bargain, right? You know what? I'll go tell her myself. Yes.
Do what?
You heard me. And leave my room before things get... Just leave. Before things get worse than this. Just leave my room.
You think you're joking, right?
Yes, I'm joking. Just... You hurting me!
You need to wake up. You need to wake up. I just received a message from the Commissioner of Women Affairs pledging to support the flag off of my NGO. Take a look. Take a look. Look at the message. Look. Wake up. How can you be sleeping at this time of the day? Wake up. Chioma. What kind of joke is Chioma? Chioma. Chioma. Jesus Christ. Jesus.
It's alright to know. I will deliberate on this and then send what's the conclusion. Our cultural heritage cannot be compromised no matter what. Yes. Oh no. Alright, summon the elders. Let's meet tomorrow evening to deliberate on this. Yes, I'm still here. I'll have to talk to you again, you know. You know I can't get enough of you, huh?
Me too, Your Majesty.
Where is my wife?
She left a while ago with the palace driver.
Just what I want to hear. Meet me upstairs in my room. And do not keep a king waiting.
Sure I won't.
Give me, come here. Don't keep me waiting.
Drop my bag in the room, okay? Okay, my dear. Hi, darling.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine. It's just that you made me miss you so much today.
Oh, really?
Yeah, really.
I'm sorry. Well, I had a community outreach with the widows and the market women at large.
Oh yes, I remember you said something like that earlier today. So how did it go?
Oops, amazing. It was smooth. But you know, I wish I could meet with more people. I'm hoping that will happen on my next visit, but
Yes.
with your support.
Come on, darling. You always have all of my support.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, I'm very proud to have you as my wife.
Thank you.
And my queen.
Uh-huh.
You're a rare gem. Trust me.
Gracias.
You know I love you so much, yeah? Mm?
You know, I would really love to say that I love you too, but unfortunately I don't, and I don't know why. That was a joke. I'll just go in there and have my bath. Okay, I'll see you in a bit. Meanwhile,
it's all right.
can I?
Go ahead, man.
I needed that. It's quite sunny outside.
Yeah.
I'll be with you in a minute.
I'm right behind you, darling.
Okay, so at the spelling of life, you cut the cake.
All right.
You want me to support?
Of course, you have to support me.
Okay, so we go L-I-F-E.
Hip, 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 hip.
Hooray!
Thank you. First off, I'd like to thank the Almighty God for giving me the grace to see yet another year. I would also love to appreciate my beautiful and ever-loving wife here, my support system, my best friend, my counselor, and my partner in crime. I love you so much, darling.
And I love you too.
And I know. I also love to appreciate each and every one of you present here today. I pray that the Almighty God and the gods of our land continue to guide and protect all of you. Thank you very much.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, baby. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Hip, 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 hip.
Hooray!
Darling,
Yeah.
thank you once again for today.
Why are you thanking me? That's the least I can do to celebrate you, right?
Still, it means a lot to me. You know, every time I recount my blessings, I count you twice. You have been nothing short of blessings and blessings in my life.
Oh.
I love you so much.
Come here. And I love you too. You know, I also want to say thank you for standing by me. Especially in this childless situation of ours. I just keep hoping and praying that God would give us our own children soon.
You say, in God's time, He will give us ours.
I hope so.
I know so.
In that case, why don't we try to, get our own children tonight?
Darling, I'm kind of tired. Maybe some other time.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. I forgot we had a long day.
Yes, we did.
Ify, all I ask is that you give me a chance to show you how much I love and care for you. Please, be my woman, and I promise to take care of you. Please.
Take care of me with what exactly? With the little salary you make here? Or is there a wealth you kept somewhere that I don't know of?
Ify, I know I may not want all the desires you want from a man, but I promise to work hard and smart. If you just be my woman, please. And I promise to take care of you until the sun shines at us. Please.
Us? Who are the us?
You and I, of course.
Obiozo, I will say this and I will not repeat myself again. Because I can see you have hard hearing. This should be the first and the last time you will stop me to say this nonsense. Is it by force? No! Can't you take no for an answer? If this repeats itself again, I will report you to the king and you know what that means.
If you please now.
Stop it. Don't you ever try to touch me again.
Hey. What is going on here? And why are you two standing here by this time of the day?
My king is Obiozo. I've told him to stop talking me, yet he won't listen to me. He said he wants me to be his girl, but I said no. You still don't want to leave me alone.
Obiozo.
My king.
Is that true?
My king, that wasn't actually the case.
I see you have become so comfortable in this palace, forgetting your primary assignment as my chief guard. If I ever get another report like this about you, Obiozo, I will have your head on the platter. Is that clear?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Now get out! Come. Do not be afraid. He will not bother you anymore. Hmm?
Yes, my king. Should we do this later in your room? Somebody might just bump in on us.
You're right. See me in my room now.
Hi, darling.
Hi. What's going on, my love? Who's the woman with you?
Greetings, my king.
Yes, greetings.
That's Monachi. A homeless blind girl I found along the village road. I decided to bring her home. I just want to render some help to her by providing her with shelter here in the palace.
See me upstairs. Now.
My queen. Yes. My queen. I'm here.
Is everything okay?
Of course everything is fine.
I can go back,
No,
please.
it's okay. Everything is fine. Don't worry, she'll take you to a room now. Just relax. Tell Cordelia to provide her with everything she needs.
Okay, my queen.
Prepare something special for her, okay?
Yes, my queen.
And make sure she gets anything she wants, okay?
Okay, my queen.
I'll be with you soon.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, yes. You.
Inside. Okay, let's go.
How can you bring a total stranger into this palace without my consent?
I'm deeply sorry. I just felt the need to help her when I found her homeless on the streets. Please.
Do you realize this is a palace? How can you bring in a total stranger just to demonstrate some philanthropic stripe?
But I just said that I am sorry. Besides, Munachi is not completely a stranger. She's my childhood friend. And we attended school when we were still young. Listen, her uncle made her homeless when her parents were involved in an accident a few years back. I just had to... Sorry.
Still does not justify what you did. Aside from being your king, I'm also your husband. And this is my house. I deserve to make approval of every key decision in this palace. You don't just bring in a total stranger knowing the tone of things in the world right now.
My husband, my king, I said I am sorry. I'm deeply sorry. I should have informed you before bringing her home. Don't be offended, please. Okay?
It's all right. She can stay. But it has to be temporal.
Oh, of course. I had intentions of getting her an apartment, somewhere convenient, as soon as possible. Don't worry, she'll leave immediately I get it. Okay? I'm sorry.
It's all right. I said fine.
That fine doesn't sound like it's fine. I need you to be fine. I need a smile on your face, please. Please. That's a fake smile. With me here is Munachi. My childhood friend, and she's also like a sister to me. I believe you all can see her condition. I called you here to inform you that she will be staying with us for a while. I would want you to treat her with respect. Make sure she's served properly. Treat her like you would treat other household member. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, Your Majesty.
It's all right. You may now disperse to your duty post.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Cornelia, please get me a glass of juice.
Please. Munachi, no, you don't have to do... Oh, Jesus Christ.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
It's okay. You have said thank you before, and it's all right. Sit down, okay?
Thank you.
Honestly, Queen Ugegweze might be the kindest queen this kingdom will ever have. She is so loving and selfless. Imagine how she accommodated that blind girl.
Are you just saying that? What about our constant outreach to widows, mothers, out of school children in the community? She's an unsung philanthropist, you know.
Honestly speaking, she is. Only God knows the loggerhead she had with the husband, the king, because she accommodated the blind girl.
My dear, I just love her kind of person.
Me too.
I just love her.
God.
Oh, Ify.
What else other than gossiping? So you two have nothing to do. That's why you're here gossiping. And you, Ginika, I thought I asked you to fold the king's clothes. So what are you doing here?
Well, we weren't gossiping. We were only discussing about the queen's kindness, the way she accommodated the blind girl.
And how is that your business? You know what? I will let this slide. Now you two should get out and get busy. I said get out.
You cannot do anything. whatever. My queen. My queen. I felt a presence. I heard. Who?
Maid. Why is your face like this? Huh? Is there a problem? Or maybe you need money?
Of course I need money. But that's not the problem now.
Then what is the problem?
The blind girl is my problem. I don't want her around here.
You know, I personally kicked against her staying in this house. But the queen insisted. She begged I let her stay for a while. You know how the queen likes to solicit for people who are in need.
My king.
Yes, my love.
I'm not stopping her from helping anybody. She can rent an apartment for her somewhere. Must she be in this palace? Me, I don't like her here.
Don't worry, she'll be leaving very soon. Okay? Very soon.
I just hope it doesn't take forever.
It won't. Trust me. Meanwhile, let me have you some more.
Don't you get tired?
I don't get tired when it has to do with you. Okay?
This is the third time I'm seeing Ifoma sneaking out of the king's room. And she always does this when the queen is not around. Could this be what I'm thinking?
Stop. I'm tired. Stop this, please.
What exactly is going on with you, honey? You've been doing this in recent times. You don't touch me. You don't... When was the last time you touched me as your wife?
Babe, don't you get it? I just said I'm tired and that's it. I did a lot today, please.
That is the same thing you say every time. Why? Why are you sex-starving me? I am your wife, for goodness sake.
Babe. Why will I want to sex-starve my darling wife? Come on. I just told you I'm tired. Right? Tomorrow, I promise you it's going to be fire. Tomorrow's going to be hot. Please.
Are you sure about that?
Of course. Fire. Come to bed. Come.
You're not going to hold me too?
Oh, okay. Sorry.
are you all doing? Okay, so I called you here to thank you for your hard work and dedication in this palace. You all have done so well. Like they say, charity begins at home. So I would love to appreciate you all. I have a little gift for each and every one of you, just like I do to the other members of the community. With that being said, for you.
Thank you, my queen.
Yes.
Thank you, Majesty.
Thank you, my queen.
And Cordelia.
Thank you, my queen.
And the oldest maiden, Ifoma, this is for you.
Thank you, my queen.
And the one who makes me satisfied at all time with her good cooking.
Thank you, my queen.
Zane. Thank you. I would want you to take this home by the weekend. Give them to your mothers. I would also make provision some food stuff that you would give to your family members as well.
Thank you, my queen.
Thank you so much.
You may now return to your duty post.
Okay, my queen.
Oh, Ifoma, please come. I totally forgot. I have a little something for you. You're one of my most trusted maidens in this palace and the oldest amongst all. I'm going to make a little top up to your salary, just to show you how appreciative I am of everything you have been doing and for your egalitarian contribution to this palace.
Thank you. Thank you,
No,
Your Majesty.
you don't have to do that. It's okay.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
It's fine. It's okay. You may return to your duty post. What are you doing out here?
My queen, your heart is as pure and clean as your skin. I can feel it. It shines bright. And God in heaven will replenish your purse.
Amen.
Thank you for all you do.
It's okay. You don't have to thank me, Munachi. It gives me joy to see my people happy.
Now that's the catch. Because that right there is a very rare human attribute. And you know something?
What?
Every day I thank the universe for making my path cross with yours.
It's okay. And God bless you too, my darling friend.
Thank you.
Come.
Lolo. Asa. Ugegbe. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, and you didn't have to come out all by yourself.
I needed to see you and be with you.
Can you see me?
I can't see you.
I was just going to take a walk around. I'm just going to take a walk around the palace. You want to come with me?
Yes.
All right. It's this way to your left.
Okay.
Why are you seated here, idle? I can see that you've grown wings. That's why you don't have respect anymore. So because you've started sleeping with small boys, you think you're now a bird and you can fly, right?
Well, sleeping with small boys, as you put it, is a lot better than sleeping with people's husbands, especially those who hold you dear to their hearts.
And what is that supposed to mean?
Of course, you know what it means. So cut off the pretense. For your information, I've seen you a couple of times sneaking in and out of the king's bedroom when the queen is not around.
What are you talking about? Because I don't know what you're talking about.
Well, that question becomes inconsequential by the time the queen finds out your secret affairs with the husband. How could you be this mean, heartless, insensitive? A woman who treated us all like a sister. You choose to repay her by breaking her home. Ifoma, shame on you. You are a disgrace to womanhood.
I'm fine. This is not why I'm here.
What is wrong? Huh? Is it about money? Because I know every time you need money, you're never in the mood.
It's no money. Chidalu, my king, Chidalu knows about us.
What?
Yes. We had an argument today and she told me, and she said she was going to expose me to the queen. I don't even know if she has done that already.
I know this about the phone calls. I warned you to mind the way you call me on the phone. I warned you.
So you're pushing the blame on me now? This one is not blaming time. We need to do something.
I know exactly what to do.
Anything you want to do, just do fast. Just do fast.
I said I know what to do.
Are you looking for something?
Did you take the 100,000 naira I kept in that drawer?
100,000.
Did you take it?
Take what? How can you even ask me that question? We've lived together for years. If I need something from you, I'll ask you directly.
That simply means my money grew wings and flew out of this room.
Wait a minute, what are you insinuating? That I took... Come on. I just told you I did not take your money. Are you sure you left it here?
Now it's crystal clear that I live in this house with rogues and thieves. And today, I'm going to teach someone a lesson.
Just take it easy. Are you sure you left the money there?
Don't ask me to calm down. I will not condone this nonsense in this palace.
Okay.
I will not condone this nonsense. Since when did we start harboring thieves in this palace?
All I'm asking is that you just take things easy. I mean, you
Don't!
Okay.
Obiozo, summon the maidens immediately. Which one of you stole the 100,000 naira I left on my drawer in my room?
I did not.
Not me either.
I'm not the one, my king.
Oh. So you're telling me that my money suddenly grew wings and flew away? Just like that. I am very sure one of you maidens have my money. Because you three are the only ones who have access to my room. Obiozo.
Yes, Your Majesty.
take these maidens back to their quarters and search their bags thoroughly. I'm very sure one of them has my money.
Move it.
You don't talk.
Stop, I'm not the one. I'm not the one.
And search the blind girl's bag too.
Hold on. Stop. What are you doing? Why would you ask him to search her room? This girl can barely find her way to her own room. Talk of going into your room to steal money.
My queen, please, don't worry yourself.
Obioso,
Yes, Your Majesty.
search her bags thoroughly.
Serious right now. For goodness sake, this girl is blind. What's going on here?
Here's the money, my king. Was found in Chidalo's bag.
So you are a thief.
I did not steal the money. I don't know how the money got into my bag.
You are a thief.
I'm innocent.
Shut up! I should have handed you over to the police, but I'm going to let this slide. Now go back to your quarters, pick everything that belongs to you, and leave this palace. Now.
My queen, please help me and talk to me. I am innocent.
Obiozo,
Yes, Your Majesty.
see to it that she leaves this palace for good. Now.
I'm innocent. I did not steal the money. I did not steal the money.
Can we at least just look into this? There should be some form of investigation.
Finally, this puzzle has been solved with ease. Idiot. Let me see how you come and sabotage me in this palace.
I've said this before and I'm going to say it again. I'm not comfortable with this whole situation. There is something not right about what's happening.
And what exactly are you not comfortable with?
Isn't it obvious, darling? Chidalo has been one of our oldest and most trusted maid in this palace. I don't find her walking into your room to steal. Come on.
What exactly is your point? Are you trying to say I framed her up?
Are you being serious right now? Why would I? My love, I would never conceive that kind of thoughts in my head. My concern is there is something not connecting about this whole situation. Something is missing somewhere.
And my point is, you can go ahead and think whatever you want to think. Moreover, everything was going just fine until you brought in your homeless, blind friend to live with us.
Why do you despise me so much? You don't even want to give me a listening ear, even after professing my love for you. Why?
Love doctor or love professor? Which one do you prefer? How many times will I tell you this? You're not in my class. I'm here. You're here. Watch the level. Here and here. They're not the same thing. It would take you 100 years to meet me there. So please, stop disturbing me.
Ify.
I got this strength in my marrow.
It's me, oh.
I got all it takes to feel myself. So don't try to stop me. Life is so good.
My love, you've not said a word since you got into this room. What's going on? Is there a problem?
Yes.
What exactly is the problem?
I missed my period.
What do you mean by that?
That I'm pregnant. I'm carrying your seed.
You what?
I'm pregnant.
You're going to abort that child.
What did you say, my king?
I said you will abort that child.
God forbid that I do such thing. I can never abort this child. This is my first seed. I can't abort it.
So what do you intend to do? Tell my wife.
That won't be a bad idea, considering she's barren.
How dare you? How dare you address my wife as barren?
I'm sorry.
All right, I have a better idea. You're going to push the pregnancy to Biozo. Yes.
My king, that will not be possible. Considering the fact that he has not seen my nakedness. What will I tell him? Is he a miracle baby?
So what are we supposed to do?
My king, I don't know. But terminating this baby, I can't.
Who is there? Who is there?
Shift before you push me down.
Ifeoma.
Ifeoma, it's you. Thank God. Thank God.
What is it?
I was looking for someone that will show me the way to my room. Please help me. Oh, which way?
As what? Blind woman and blind man instructor as what? See, I was not paid to do this, okay? To be taking you in and out. You know the way you brought yourself to this place. Please do the same.
Ifeoma, please don't go. Ify!
How?
Ify, please don't go. Ify, don't go, oh! Please come back.
What have I gotten myself into? What have I gotten myself into?
I got the strength in my marrow. I got all it takes to feel myself. So don't try to stop me.
Stop.
Can you at least explain what is going on with us? I can't even remember the last time you touched me as your wife. Why are you acting like I reek of something bad? Am I smelling?
I never said you reek of anything bad.
But your actions insinuate that. I can't... Toben, we are yet to make babies. And you seem not to be bothered about it. Are you seeing another woman?
How dare you? How dare you insinuate that?
What do you expect me to think? I am your wife. You are my husband. You haven't touched me in months and you expect me to be fine? For goodness sake, why are you doing this to me?
I'm sorry. Okay? I'm sorry. I'm just not in the mood.
Oh, please, you're beginning to sound like a broken record already. That's the same thing you say every time this happens. You know what? Good night. Don't touch me.
Good night.
My queen.
Yes.
The juice you requested for.
Oh. Thank you.
Do you need anything else?
Are you okay? You look very unsettled.
I'm fine, just a little stomach upset.
Then you should go to the pharmacy just down the road and get some drugs. You don't look good at all.
Thank you, my queen, I will. Do you need anything else?
No, it's okay, I'm fine. I'll take the rest day off, okay? Should have some rest.
Ifeoma! Are you okay? Who's that? Are you okay? Ginika! Are you okay? Ifeoma, are you okay? Ifeoma! Where's the guard? I don't know. Ifeoma! Guard! Okay, so please come. Please help me. Pick her up. Ifeoma!
What's wrong?
Gineka, what really happened to Ifeoma?
My dear, I don't know. I just heard the queen screaming for help. As at when I rushed to the living room, I saw Ifeoma unconscious lying on the floor. I don't know.
So what do we call this?
I really don't know. I just pray she gets better. That's the most important thing.
Mind, I pray so. I pray so.
I got the strength in my marrows. I got all it takes to feel myself.
The autopsy reports from the hospital indicates that Ifeoma was poisoned. Is this something you'd like to tell us as the chef of this royal palace?
Your Majesty, I have served this royal household for the past 8 years. Your Majesty, I can't possibly poison the food I made myself. Your Majesty, I swear on my life, I didn't do it. My queen, I didn't poison her. I know nothing about the food poisoning. Please believe me, Your Majesty.
You may leave.
I don't even know what to make out of this.
You know, something tells me she's innocent. But if she didn't poison the food, then who? Who poisoned the food?
You know what, I think we should get the police involved.
No. That's a bad idea. I would not want to ruin the reputation of this royal house.
So in essence, you're saying you're just going to let everything slide? Just like that?
Dubem, how can your domestic staff be poisoned right in this palace?
I don't know.
Wait. She had any disagreements with anyone before her death?
Not that I'm aware of. I'm just so confused. I feel so sorry for her poor parents.
This is terrible. Very, very.
Yeah.
Why don't you involve the police?
No.
I don't want this to go viral. It's going to be a slap on my reputation as king. My wife suggested same, but I asked her to forget about the idea.
Dubem, if actually that girl was poisoned in this palace, why? Bro, I sense danger.
You see, I'm just clueless and confused right now. I've never been this puzzled all my life.
Bro, you just have to take it easy on yourself.
Oh yeah? Who is there? My queen. I heard something. Yes.
Honey, if you ask me, I still insist that we talk to the police about this.
Hell no. How many times have we had this conversation? I've told you I do not want the police involved in this, and that's final.
So what you're saying in essence is that we're just going to sweep this under the carpet? Really?
You know, all of this is actually your fault.
My fault?
Yes.
How is this my fault?
Everything became unstable the moment you brought in that blind witch into this palace. You better find her another apartment. Fast. ASAP. Because soon I'll be throwing her out. Good night.
Amarani Fenna.
Yes, my queen.
You two are expected to be of good behavior and remain fully committed to the primary assignment that brought you here. Unnecessary gossip in the palace will not be tolerated. You must be disciplined and respect the confidentiality of the royal household.
Yes, my queen.
Lastly, Ginika here is your senior maid. You would do well to give her all the respect she deserves.
Okay, my queen.
Good. Now, Ginika,
My queen.
take them, show them around, and make sure you Tell them their respective duties in the palace.
Okay, my queen.
Good. You may now leave.
Thank you, my queen.
Just the call I needed right now. Hey, baby girl, how are you? I am fine. Everybody's fine. Oh, he's doing great. And you, how are you? Really? Okay. You're not serious, are you? Oh my good. Thank you so much. Exactly what I needed to hear. Thank you. I need you more than ever right now. Not after everything that has just happened. All right, I'll be waiting for you to come. No, it's okay. Whenever it is you want to, it's fine. All right, I'm expecting you then. See ya. And of course, I love you too. Bye.
I got the strength in my marrows. I got all it takes to feel myself. So don't try to stop me. Life is so good, and I get to enjoy it to the fullest.
Is this you? You know I can actually mistake you for Miss World.
This is the sun.
Is this my little cutie?
These are not that little anymore.
Come here, come. My little cute.
You should be competing with the sun. You're so bright.
Don't even exaggerate right
What
now.
do you
Stop.
mean?
And I have missed you too.
Oh!
You.
No, look at it. Can I get a 360, please?
Okay. There you go.
You should
look
give me your
amazing.
skincare routine, because what's all this?
Okay, enough. I know you're going to talk about this till whenever. Let's go inside. And so you could rest. Look at you.
Rest. No, let's go to your room. Skincare routine.
Life is so good, and I get to enjoy it.
Chioma, you know, I would say that you coming here today is the best thing that has ever happened today. My head has been spinning these past days, like the whole incident had been playing in my head. I'm just trying to put myself together. I'm glad you're here.
I can't imagine. But sis, what has happened, okay? You just have to lick your wounds and move on.
Move on, you say? Yes. Chioma, you think it's that easy? Ifeoma was one of the most trusted maidens in this palace. She was more like a sister to me. How am I supposed to cope?
I know, right? But you know what baffles me? The fact that your husband has refused to call the police for further investigations.
You're still even talking about the police. Have you asked me how we go through this whole matter in this house? Do you know whenever I bring up this issue, my husband flares up? What? I'm telling you. He doesn't take it lightly. He doesn't even want to hear anything about that. I'm trying to fathom why this whole thing is happening. Really.
But don't worry, I'm here for you now, okay?
Thank you. I'm just so glad you're here.
All right.
Yeah. Oh, Munachi. I'm over here. Yes, I'm here. Oh. Don't worry, it's okay. I'll just... Oh, easy. Easy does it. Let's go. Thank you. It's okay. It's fine. So we'll take some steps.
Okay.
I think we have about 4 to make. And we're almost there.
Okay.
3 more. 2 and 1. So now we'll make it to the left. Okay?
Left.
Yes. To the left. Yes. Just keep going. 3 more steps. We can have a... No. Backward. All the way.
Okay.
All the way. We're almost there. Now you can have this. Oh! It's okay. It's okay.
Thank you.
You're fine.
My queen.
Yes.
Give me your hand.
Okay.
I know that I may not be able to repay you for your goodness, for your kindness, but God will bless you. Inugo.
Amen. And God will bless you too.
Thank you.
Do you want something to drink?
No, I am fine.
Alright. I'll just join my friend. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Oh, that's Monachi, an old schoolmate. I found her along the road begging. I decided to bring her home to give her some hospitality. But I intend to get a place for her, like an apartment, with her help later on.
You're so nice. And you never relent with these your philanthropies. Hello. Thank you. You're so sweet.
I know. That was a joke. Thank you. Are you sure you don't want anything to drink?
So tell me, how has Port Harcourt been?
Puzzling. But I'm fast adapting.
You know, I don't know why you decided to settle in Port Harcourt.
That's how.
When we can easily fix you up here so you can stay close to your sister.
Did you hear that? Please tell her for me.
Your Majesty. Truthfully, trust me, I have thought about it over and over again. But for some reasons, I just feel Port Harcourt is the best place for me. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know.
If you say so, who am I to say otherwise? All the same, you're always welcome to the palace.
Yes.
Huh?
Thank you.
Okay, enough of the talking. Should be expired now.
Yes. Come in. What are you doing in my room? I mean, someone could have seen you walking.
Relax. Relax. No one saw me walking.
No, you can't do that. You're my sister's husband, and just 2 days of me being here, you're already
I missed you so much. Remember how you used to tell me you miss me too when we talk over the phone?
I feel ambushed right now. Man, you shouldn't do that. Someone can just...
No one will find out.
My sister.
Not even my wife. Alright? Shush. Unless maybe you're planning to tell her. Are you? Listen. I'm willing to do whatever it takes to make you mine. Just say yes to me.
Just go.
Alright, can I at least get a kiss? Please. Please.
Just go.
Thank you.
Go. Put me in trouble.
Who is there? Please help me. Help me, please. Is it my queen?
Hi.
Yes.
What are you doing out here alone?
Onyeze, I was looking for who would take me to my room.
Why didn't you call out for one of the maidens to help you out?
I did not want to bother anybody, my king. Please, help me.
This way. This way. Move. Just move.
There is something strange about that blind girl in the palace.
Has any of you noticed?
Something like what, Tamara?
I can't really place it, but she acts like she's possessed or something. I don't know.
You're right if you say she's possessed. Because shortly after the queen brought her to the palace, everything was moving just fine. As soon as she came, Chidalu was sacked. Ifeoma died shortly after. I think there's something mysterious about her. I can't just place my hand.
The worst part of it is that the queen seems to be on her defense all the time. Can you imagine?
Are you implying that she could be using a spell on the queen?
Perhaps.
The truth is that we don't know where all this are coming from. We just have to be careful in this palace. That's just it. We all need to be careful.
Exactly. I know something is not right. Something seems not to be right. I'm very sure of it. You're right.
Babe. How long have you been standing there?
Long enough to realize that you have been on the phone, chatting with whoever it is that is making you smile broadly, that you didn't even notice that I was standing here.
Babe, how can you say it like that? Who else will I be chatting with? Come on, babe. You know I love you so much. Come here. Come. I love you so much, and I will never cheat on you. Okay? Now let's go to bed.
there. Oh my God. Kids, business inclined. Don't worry, baby. I'm coming to give you some sugar. This is beautiful. I'm so happy. Come in, baby. My king.
Hi.
Yeah. I got your message. And I must admit, I'm impressed.
Well, that's the list of what's yet to come.
Hold on, my king. Why don't we go inside? Then I'll show you how grateful I am.
Yes.
Yes,
That's a good idea.
I know. Right. Yes.
You're so sweet.
Thank you. I know.
Cheers. Yeah.
Thank you.
I just can't get enough of you.
Slow down. You're still married to my sister.
I'm serious. If I'm given an opportunity to make a choice today, I'll choose you over your sister.
I hear. Talk is cheap, please.
Excuse me. I just made a transfer of 2 million to your account.
Thank you. Thank you, baby.
Amara, your queen's sister is actually enjoying the treatment of your queen.
Ifena, my dear, I am surprised as you are. Imagine driving her to shopping with the royal car meant for the queen. Or Droyegu.
Anyways, she's the sister to the queen. So let's mind our business.
Let's focus on our duty.
Let me show you. Just wait.
You mean everything in this
bag? Everything.
Look at this. Look at this hair. Look at this hair. Look at this.
Oh my God.
Yes. Oh, this is beautiful. So nice.
I know.
Oh, it's catchy.
I know, right?
Wait a minute. You want just one man? One man bought everything in this bag.
One man. It's not even enough. I want more.
Oh my God.
No, but enough. Okay, enough. You need to calm down and tell me who this guy is. I mean, someone can't just be wowing you like this and I want to know who the person is.
Calm down.
Who is this young man?
Calm down.
Okay, I'll come.
Do the calm.
Okay?
I'll
come.
You will see him at the right time. Relax, you'll get to know him first.
He shouldn't waste time with my sister. They said delay is dangerous. Let the man just come here. He doesn't need deliberation or... We don't need to ask him questions. He should just come and carry you away. This is a nice young man.
Since we haven't gotten to that stage.
Leave.
I don't understand, sis. We've not gotten to that stage. When we get there, I'll let you know.
Which stage are you talking about? My dear, the stage is now. Look at you. The you people call it Gen Z generation now. During our time, when a man buys you one rapper, he will come and marry you. That's how they do it.
I don't understand. During your time, when?
I got the strength in my marrows. I got all it takes.
Sis, you don't look too good to me. What's the matter?
It's the BAME.
The BAME. You guys had an argument or what?
It's far from that. I don't know what's happening. It feels like I'm married to a stranger. It feels like I don't even know my husband anymore. Would you believe that in the last 3 months, my husband hasn't touched me?
What?
3? Wait.
It's a lie.
And you know, the funniest part is whenever I bring up this issue, he gives me one flimsy excuse or the other.
Sis, did you at any point before now disrespect him in front of the palace workers?
Of course not. You know I won't do that to my husband. I'm not even that kind of person.
I don't know what to think anymore. But you know, men, they can be very vindictive. And they choose to punish their wives with deprivation.
I don't think that's the case here. It's not.
So what might be the case?
I don't want to believe it, but I think the BAME is seeing another woman.
What? Sis.
Munachi.
Amara, is that you?
No, it's my ghost. What are you looking for at Auntie Shoma's bedroom door?
I was actually looking for who will help me and take me to my room. Please help me. Oh?
I should accompany you to your room. As what? Your PA or your escort?
No, it's just a help.
Biamunachi, you're not the first young woman to get blind. So better learn how to stay at a place all the time.
Okay, no problem. But please, just this one time, can you just take me to my room? Oh, Biko.
Munachi, I don't want to hear my name from that your evil mouth again. You blind witch.
Amara, please don't go. Help me, please. Amara, are you going? Amara, please help me.
Like right now, I am the most confused person on earth. I mean, Dubame's character, his attitude, everything about him has become a big concern for me.
I know, sis. Just relax, okay? Relax. I believe he will come around. Everything will be fine.
How long am I supposed to be calm until I lose my home?
No. See, sis, matters like this should be treated with wisdom. If you confront him now, things might escalate. And you may not like the outcome. Just relax.
Chima, if I tell you that I am not losing it, I will be a big lie. I have lost it all completely.
Like I said, just relax. Everything will be fine. I know.
You think so?
Mm-hmm. I know so. Okay. Okay, sis, I have to get along now.
Oh, it's true.
I'm running behind schedule.
It's okay.
I don't want to see your face like this when I return. Okay. And you didn't even tell me how I look.
Oh my goodness, my apologies. But I'll give you a 10 over 10.
Oh, thank you, sis.
You look good.
Thank you, I know. So please, share up. Smile, smile, smile.
I am fine. Just run along and take good care of yourself.
I will.
Please.
I'll be back before you know it.
All right.
Love you. Bye.
Love you too.
I waited for you at the restaurant for hours, yet you did not show up. Why?
I'm sorry, baby. I had to address an issue in the palace before you showed up.
I don't understand. What sort of issues were you handling in my palace that I'm not aware of?
Dubim, you're smarter than this. How can you deprive your wife of sex for months and expect her not to conceive such idea? See, my sister is really hurting. And I would advise to take a break. Yes, before she finds out I'm the woman you're seeing.
No, my love. Don't say that. I love you so much. Okay? I am so fond of you. We can end this. Alright, listen. I will make it up to her to kill her suspicions. Alright?
You better do. Because if this complaint comes up again, we are done.
I promise. Alright?
It's okay.
Give me a kiss.
We still do. Again. So.
Go back to the restaurant.
Your Majesty, you sent for me. Stand there. What did you say to Munachi today?
Hey, Lolo, I told you to let this...
Munachi, please. I would love for you to stay out of this. Okay. Start talking.
I'm just...
You did what? I'm asking you, you did what? How dare you call her a blind witch? I mean, what even gave you the impetus to do that in the first place? Have you suddenly forgotten your place in this palace?
I'm sorry. It won't happen again,
Of course it won't happen because you won't have the opportunity to do it. Just take a look at this little rat I just employed. You haven't even been here for long and you're already being arrogant and rude. Now listen to me, I'm going to make this clear. The next time you disrespect Munachi or any other member of this family, you will cease to work in this palace. Am I understood?
Yes, my queen.
Don't get your filthy self out of here. I'm here.
It will be. Oh, please. Calm down, oh.
Munachi, I can't keep condoning this. I actually gave a stern warning when they started working here that they should be respectful to every member of this household. Why would she say that to you?
It's okay. Asa, are you calm?
I'm sorry for everything.
You're sorry for what exactly? Your constant deprivation? Or you just being selfish, thinking about yourself alone? You know what? I would like to know what's wrong I have done to you. Tell me, Dubem, haven't I tried enough? Haven't I tried to be not just a good wife, but also a proactive supporter and your queen? I have spared time to make sure that your reign as a king in this kingdom is memorable. What do I get in return? Sheer neglect. What did I do wrong to you?
I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry for all the wrongs. I'm sorry for everything I did. I never meant to hurt you.
You never meant to hurt me, yet you made me feel like I'm no longer appealing to you. Is there any other woman that you find very attractive? I mean, more appealing than I am?
Oh my God. How can you even think of a thing like this? Why wouldn't you trust me?
What do you expect me to think? I'm asking you. What am I supposed to think? I no longer see you as my husband. It feels like I don't even know you anymore. You're more like a stranger to me in my own house. You know...
Hey, babe. I'm sorry. Okay? I'm truly sorry. I promise you, I will never hurt you again. And yes, I will never deprive you of sex. As a matter of fact, I'm going to give it to you until you run away from this house. Yes, I show you that. Come on. Let me give you some of that sugar, baby.
Please, stop. I'm not even... I want to enter inside me, this man. Calm down now.
Please. I'm sorry, okay?
Cause I'm happy, clap along if you...
What's going on? You know, since you haven't told me what this whole excitement is all about.
You want to know?
I want to know.
You want to know?
I want to know.
All right. I'm not just going to spill. Why don't you try to guess?
Guess. Okay. Your husband and both of you...
God, stop this. This is a palace for good... Okay, well, that's part of it. But there's something bigger. Something huge. Guess.
Just kill me with curiosity. Can you just tell me?
Okay, now you want to kill the fun. But I'll spare you because you're my sister. I don't want to kill you with curiosity.
Just say already.
Okay. So my husband, the king. Stop.
Okay.
My husband got me a vast estate. An estate of 200,000 acres.
You don't say.
Shout.
Don't say. Are you saying it like this? You don't say. Are you saying it like this? It's a lie. Congratulations. I'm so happy for you. Thank you.
At least this will be an open door to my long-term NGO project.
Yes, exactly. You see, I've always told you to relax. Dubem loves you.
Oh.
I am so happy.
Thank you. I also want to say thank you. You know, you coming here this period actually brought good luck to me.
I know.
I don't even know how to explain it.
I know.
Thank you.
It's okay. God, I'm so
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. The excitement. I'm just so...
Chioma, are you okay? Chioma! Wait for me, I'm coming. Are you okay? What's wrong with you? Chioma!
Chioma. What's the matter? Are you okay?
Yes, sis, I'm fine. I'm good. Thank you.
All right, if you say so.
But yeah, don't worry, I'll join you shortly, okay?
Chioma. Chioma.
Huh? Huh? Are you okay? Yes, I'm fine, sis. I mean, work. I've been thinking about work.
Are you sure?
Of course. I'm fine.
Oh, is it the food? If you don't like it, I can ask the maid to make something else for you.
This is perfect. See now. I'm not in the mood for all this.
Why is your face like this? Is everything alright?
I'm
You need money?
pregnant. I'm pregnant.
You're what?
Having your baby. I'm 3 weeks gone.
Is this a joke or are you serious about it?
I'm not joking. You see, I warned you about this. I said use protection. You said no. I see what you've put me into.
We're keeping this child.
What?
Yes. I waited patiently for your sister to give me a child. She wouldn't give me. Now I'm keeping this.
No. You make decisions to favor you at the expense of my only sister's happiness. No.
Please. Let's keep this child.
Okay, see. If you want me to have this baby, then do something before I lose my mind. I'm not having this baby in this palace.
Alright. Hold on. We'll think of something. Okay? I didn't see anyone.
What? No. Someone was there. Someone was eavesdropping on our discussion.
It's alright.
Someone was
I'll
there.
handle this. Alright, I will. I promise.
Okay, just go before someone finds you here. No, just go. Oh, what have I gotten myself into? Hey, what will I do now?
Auntie Choma. This one, she's still sleeping by this time of the day. How will I not tell her that the queen wants to see her? I must wake you up. Auntie Choma. Auntie Choma, the queen wants to see you. Auntie Choma, the queen wants to speak with you. Auntie Choma.
Chioma. What kind of joke is this?
I don't know.
Chioma. Chioma. Chioma.
Auntie Chioma.
Chioma.
Auntie Chioma. Auntie Chioma.
Jesus Christ.
Auntie Chioma.
Chioma. Run. What get the gas? Be fast. Chioma, stop. Chioma, you need to stop this. What kind of joke is this now? Chioma, don't do this to me. Stop. Obiosa. Oh my goodness. Obiosa.
I'm really confused. This is the second time someone is dying in this palace, just like that. No one is safe in this palace anymore. No one.
This is really frightening.
Really frightening.
You see, Dube, my friend, you don't have to let this slide. I believe someone is somewhere in this palace cooking up something just to sabotage your reign as king.
Obviously. The question now is, who is this person? Cordelia, the palace chef, is still in police custody. But something inside of me tells me that she's innocent. Because how can she deliberately poison someone's food in this palace, knowing full well that she will be directly implicated?
And that implies that the person doing this whole thing is still in this palace.
There's only one stranger in this palace.
You mean the blind girl?
Exactly. She is the only stranger in this house. You know, I asked the policeman to take her along with them, but my wife opposed, saying I was trying to oppress an innocent, helpless blind girl. I know what to do. I know exactly what to do. Yes. Your arrival into this palace has brought me pain and misfortune. But I will be kind enough because of your condition. The next time I see you anywhere around this premises will be your last time on earth. Obiozo, send her out now.
Yes.
Why are you making it seem like I'm not making sense one bit? Why are you doing this? How can you send an innocent girl out of this palace? Where do you want her to stay?
I have been kind and benevolent enough to let her stay this long. She's gone, and she's never coming back to this palace. Case closed.
Case cannot be closed until we are done talking. goodness sake, this is unfair. This is the least I expect from you.
What are you even talking about? I mean, your only sister is dead and gone? The safety of this palace is threatened? And you expect me to fold my arms and do nothing about it? Really?
Can you at least make this make sense to me? What has Monachi got to do with the death of my sister?
Monachi is the only stranger here. And she has to be put in check. I will continue my investigation till I get to the end of the tunnel. Until then, this case is closed.
I got the strength in my marrows. I got all it takes to feel myself. So don't try to stop me.
Your Majesty, do you know my wife's whereabouts?
No, Your Majesty. She drove out earlier today and she didn't tell anybody anything. I even offered to drive her, but she turned down my offer.
It's alright, you can go back to your duty post.
Okay, Your Majesty.
Enjoy it to the fullest.
I overstayed my time at the palace. What if your husband found out something and arrested me? That was risky.
I wouldn't have let it happen. Dubem would have to get to me before he comes for you.
It's getting too bloody. If you ask me, your sister, informer, all of that. And the he-goat doesn't seem to me like someone who's going to change anytime soon. So how many more lives do you want to put on the line?
It's not a problem, Munachi. I have my plans, okay? It will only take time for me to implement them, but I will.
That's fine. But you have to be careful. Please, I am so scared for you.
You know, I never imagined that my own sister would do this to me. She did not only sleep with my husband countless times. She got pregnant for him. Knowing full well that don't even have a child. I haven't been able to conceive in the last 7 years. How could she?
Truly, I understand how you feel. But right about now, these lives, this bloodshed, it is not worth it. Please. I know I'm not in any position to advise you on what to do, but these lives are too much. Please.
It's okay, Munachi. Like I said, I'll handle things my way. I will implement my plans and I'm sure everything will be fine. Thank you for everything you did. I will, you can send me your account number so I can send your balance to you. Okay?
Okay. Thank you. It was nice doing business with you. See you.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
Is that not Monachi, the blind girl? When did she regain her sight? Something is wrong somewhere.
My king. My king. My king, I wish to appreciate you for giving me the opportunity to serve this royal household for the past years. This household have been so good to me that I will never take for granted. Notwithstanding, I also wish to clarify that I did not and will never conceived the thought of taking someone's life. And I pray that whosoever that is behind these evil manipulations will be brought to book. I also pray that God will continue to protect the royal household. Thank you so much, my king.
I called him twice and he's not taking my calls.
That is not the issue now. The matter on ground now is that the suspect in her custody has confessed. Yes, she confessed that she was hired by the Queen as an undergrad agent, a blind one as that, to monitor the happening in the palace. She even gave us a voice record of the king conversation with his mistress, who is dead now.
So that means she killed the maid and the sister to the queen?
No. The queen did. Yeah, what? I've already mobilized my men to come to the palace so we can get the queen for questioning. Things are not always the way they seem to be. I want you to know that.
What's going on? Why are you looking at me like that?
Oh, I didn't realize I had that face. I'm sorry. You know, I actually came here so we could have a heart-to-heart conversation. You know, husband and wife talking.
What's this about?
I'll tell you. Jemima, I would like to know, what wrong did I ever do to you? Did I fall short of expectation as your wife? I just want to know.
What are you trying to say? Go ahead and talk.
It's okay.
I'm listening.
No, you don't need to fret. I'll tell you. Dubem, you have denied me of affection this whole time. You sex-starved me just to satisfy your mistresses. And the most beautiful part is that you were good enough to woo my sister, got her pregnant. You even condescended so low as to sleeping with my maid on our matrimonial bed.
Trust me, my love. I can explain. Okay? I can. I'm sorry.
You apologizing? Oh no, you don't need to apologize. It's fine. I mean, you don't owe me an apology. That's you. That's you being Dubem. The man I got married to. You don't need to apologize, it's fine. You know the only thing I regret? Not killing you a long time ago.
Have you been responsible for all the deaths in the palace?
Yes.
Cordelia. Cordelia.
Yes, Your Majesty. How are you?
I'm fine, Your Majesty.
Are you done serving the food to the maids?
I was about to do that, Your Majesty.
Okay. What about the guards?
I've done that. I've served them.
Oh, great. I sent Ifoma on an errand. I'll need you to keep her food somewhere safe so that she can get something to eat once she returns, okay?
Your Majesty.
All right. You may leave.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
All right. Unless I forget, please keep the food somewhere I can find it easily. Or let me know where you keep it.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Just in case you're not around when she returns, I could hand it over to her, okay?
Yes, Your Majesty.
All right.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
It's okay. Yes, me. You made me shed blood. I killed my only sister. Because of you, I lost everything. Everything that made me a woman. I don't have a womb. Because I wanted to make you happy. You're fucking sitting on this throne because I made it possible. I gave you my life. I gave you everything that made you who you are today. Take a look around the palace. Everything. Everything to the crown on your head. I gave it to you. And how do you pay me back? You slept with my sister. You took the only family I had. You took everything away from me. What else do you want? My life? Take me. Dubem, I said, take me!
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry for everything I put you through. Sincerely, I am. But come on, Ugebe. You went too far. You did.
I did. How dare you say that to my face? I went too far? Really?
I'm sorry. Okay. Here I am apologizing to you. I'm sincerely sorry for what I did. I'm so sorry I had to make you kill your own sister.
Oh, please stop. Stop. Don't patronize me like you care.
Of course I care.
You don't.
I do. Listen, we can start all over again. Me and you on a new page. I mean, a new me. I'm sorry. I'm sincerely sorry for everything I did. Let's leave that in the past now. Let's start all over again. Please. Please.
Okay. It's fine. I forgive you.
Just like that?
Yes.
You forgive me.
I forgive you.
This is why I love you so much. Come. I swear. I'm never going to break your heart again. Me and you. Forever. Love you. I love you so much.
And I love you too.
What have you done?
That is everything you did to me. For every pain I went through in this marriage. For everything you fucking did to me.
Help!
I hate you! I hate you! I hate you!
Drop it down! Nobody help! Help! Stop! Carry him the phone! Carry him! No! Let's go!
If you make any move, this place is surrounded right now. You're under arrest for the murder of Ifoma, Chioma Nzekwe, and the attempted murder of Igwe Dubem. You have the right to remain silent for every word you use or do here will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you don't have one, the state will provide you with one. Cover! I want to see your hands up. Up! Cover! If you move, if you make any attempt, I'll blow off your head. Move! Take her! We can
I got the strength in my marrows. I got all it takes to feel myself. So don't try to stop me. Life is so good, and I get to enjoy it to the fullest. And she says, I feel the way you feel. Come close, hold me tight. Let's bond together. Take me to the ring I've never been, and make me to scream so loud. I got the strength